Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. I hope everyone is doing great and I wish each and every one of us an amazing week. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. Thank you for joining us, and please don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe because I would like to have you as a part of this channel. I have so many deals in this video and I hope you can all find something that will help you out. Let's go check out the deals. The first deal we'll be checking out will be on Colgate toothpaste. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back and it's a limit of 2. Picking up 2 of the stain fighters priced at $5.19. The total will be $10.38. We have 2 digital coupons that are attaching to this. The first one is 4 off 2 digital coupon and another 3 off 2. Both of them is going to double dip because the price is $5.19. And it's going to bring it down to $3.38 and I'll get $4 back, making both items free and a 62 cents money maker. The next deal is on Speed Stick deodorant. They're on sale for 2 for $6 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Picking up 2 at 2 for $6, go to speedstick.com and print out 2 75-cent coupon. Use the 2 coupons. It's going to bring it down to $4.50 and you get $3 back, making both items $1.50 or 75 cents each. We used to get these items free, but the Shell deodorant this week is on buy 2 get $4 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 at full price at $3.59 each. 2 of them will come up to $7.18. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $3.18 or $1.59 each. The Green Dry Spray is part of the buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Picking up 2 of the Degree Dry Spray priced at $7.79. The second one is going to be $3.90. Both items are going to come up to $11.69. In today's savings set, we're going to get a $4 off 2 degree coupon, but in our app, we have a $1.50 coupon. Using the 4 off 2 coupon is going to bring it down to $7.69 and you get $4 back. Then check your fetch because when you buy 2, you get 2,500 points back. After the points back, it will make both items just $1.19 or 60 cents each. Sally Hansen is on the deal of spend 15 get $5 back and it's a limit of 1. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have the 3 off 10 cosmetic CRT, you can add it to this. Pick up the color therapy priced at $10.49 and also the extreme wear priced at $4.29. These 2 items will come up to $14.88. That's within the 98% rule. So if you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows it. You have to pay the $14.88. If you have any percentage of CRT, you can use it with this because they are not on sale. Then you get $5 back, making both items $9.88 or $4.94 each. Buy 2 CoverGirl products, you get $6 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $4.99. Both items is going to come up to $9.98. Use 2 of the $3 CoverGirl eye coupon that we'll be getting in today's savings set. And we all received the $3 instant CRT today. These 3 coupons, that's 2 coupon and 1 CRT, that's $9. Is going to drop it down to 98 cents. Pay that and get $6 back, making both items free and a $5.02 money maker. Buy 2 any NYX professional makeup and you get $5 back, limit of 1. Pick up the NYX Border Gloss priced at $5.59 and also a lip liner priced at $4.39. These 2 items will come up to $9.98. I only have a 2 off 10 NYX CRT that will be applying to this. It's going to bring it down to $7.98. You pay that and get $5 back, making both items $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal will be on Almay or Revlon Cosmetics. It's on a tier deal of buy 2 get 5 or buy 3 you get 8, limit of $8 per card. I'll be picking up the Alme eyeshadow because I don't have any coupons for the Revlon, but for the Alme I have CRTs for this. Two of them will come up to $16.98 because they are priced at $8.49 each. Use the $5 Alme Instant CRT we received last week. It's extended to next week Saturday. And if you have a 4 off 14 Alme CRT added to it, it's going to bring it down to $7.98. Pay that and get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each one of them. That's a total of $6, making both items free and a $3.02 money maker. When you scan this item to Ibotta, it's not going to show, but if you added it to if you clipped it, go on your list, you will find it there because that's how mine is. If I go on the main page, I'm not going to find it, but if I check on the clipped items, I always find it there. The next deal I saw is on buy any Real Beauty facial sheet mask, you get $3 back, and the cheapest one I found was $3.59. Picking it up, I don't have any coupon for this, but you pay the $3.59 and you get $3 back, making it just 59 cents. And this will be a good filler item. Neutrogena facial care is part of the buy 2 get $4 back or buy 3 you get $12 back, limit of $12. It doesn't track. You have to do this in one single transaction. Picking up 3 of the Neutrogena Deep Clean, priced at $7.79 each. My store only have 2, but I will explain this for someone that have 3 because I think buying 3 is a better option. 3 of them is going to come up to $23.37. Use 2 of the paper coupon I got from coupons.com. That's $2 off. And we also have a $2 in our app that will attach to the third one. Last week I received a 3 of 10 Neutrogena CRT, and I also received another one this week. If your store accepts expired CRT up to 2 days, then you can use the one from last week. With the 3 coupons and the 2 CRTs, it's going to bring it down to $11.37. You pay that and get $12 back, making all 3 items free and a 63 cents money maker. The next deal will be on spend $15, get $5 back on any Eucerin hand body lotion or cream. And this will be a good deal if you have a percentage of CRT to do. Picking up the intensive repair lotion, priced at $14.78, that's within the 98% rule. I'll be using a $2 coupon I got from my doctor's place, but if you don't have that, use the percentage of CRT if you have it. And also a 3 of 12 hand body lotion CRT is going to bring it down to $9.78, and I'll get $5 back, making this item just $4.78. The next deal is on Nivea body lotion, the big bottle, 33.8 ounces, you get $2 back. Picking it up, you pay the $9, then you get $2 back, making this big bottle just $7. Spend $20 on any copper tone sun care, you get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the complete face copper tone sun care, priced at $12.49 each. Use 2 of the $2 coupons. You can print one from coupons.com, and we also have one in our app. I received a $3 off $9 sun care CRT in my email that is also attaching to this. That will bring it down to $17.98. Pay that and get $10 back, making both items $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next deal is on buy 2 raw sugar products, get $5 back, and the cheapest item I can find is the hand soap. They are priced at $5.29 each. I don't have any coupon for this, so you have to pay the $10.58. That's the total for the 2 products, then get $5 back, making both of them $5.58 or $2.79 each. Still on hand soap deal, soft soap liquid hand soap is on the deal of buy 2, get $2 back, limit of 1, and also Irish Spring Bar Soap 3 packs are included in this deal. Pick up 2 of the soft soap liquid hand soap, priced at $3.49 each, and go to softsoap.com. You can print out 2 of the 50 cents coupon. It's going to bring it down to $5.98 and you get $2 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. We also have another soft soap deal on the body wash. They're on sale for $4.99 and when you buy two, you get $5 back. Pick up two of them will come up to $9.98. Go to softsoap.com and print out two 75-cent coupon that will bring it down to $8.48. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $3.48 or $1.74 each. Nivea body wash 30 ounces is on sale for $9.99 and when you buy one, you get $2 back. That's both the men and the women. Picking up one of the men, you use a $1 coupon we have in our app that will bring it down to $8. Pay that and get $2 back. Check your Ibotta because in mine I have a $2 back limit of 5. That will end up making this item just only $4. Irish Spring Body Wash is on sale for buy one get one 40% off and when you buy two you get $5 back. Picking up two of the Irish Spring Body Wash, one will be $7.49 and the second one will be $4.49 and the two of them will come up to $11.98. Go to irishspring.com and print out two 75-cent coupon that will bring it down to $10.48. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $5.48 or $2.74 each. Gillette Shave Foam is part of the buy one get one half off and when you buy two you get $3 back. Picking up two of the Gillette Shave Foam priced at $4.39. The second one is going to be $2.20. Both of them are going to come up to $6.59. We have a $1 off coupon in our app that is attaching to this that will bring it down to $5.59 and you get $3 back, making both items $2.59 or $1.30 each. Brood Splash On is part of the buy one get $2 back. Picking up one at price at $8.79. I have no coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. But if you don't have that, pay the $8.79 and get $2 back, making it just $6.79 only. TRESemmé is on sale for buy one get one half off and when you buy two, you get $2 back. You can mix or match anyhow you want, but picking up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner priced at $7.29, the second one will be $3.65 and two of them will come up to $10.94. We all have a 4 off 2 TRESemmé digital coupon that is going to bring it down to $6.94 and you get $2 back, making both items $4.94 or $2.47 each. The next deal is on Dove Hair Therapy. They're on the deal of buy two, get $7 back, limit of 1. Picking up two of the Dove Hair Therapy shampoo or conditioner, whichever way you want, price at $10.79 each. These two items is going to come up to $21.58. We all received a 5 off 2 digital coupon today that is attaching to this. And also if you have a 3 off 15 dose CRT, it will also apply to this deal. It's going to bring it down to $13.58. Pay that and get $7 back, making both items $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal will be on You by Kotex. It's on the deal of spend 15, you get $5 back, limit of 1. Pick up one of the maxi pad priced at $9.29 each. And the second item that will help get to 15 will be the liners priced at $5.79. These two items will come up to $15.08. And I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip. And also a 3 off 12 feminine care CRT that will be applying to this. All these coupons and CRT will bring it down to $4.08. Then I'll get $5 back, making both items free and a 92-cent money maker. Another simple deal to do if you have a baby shower or if you have a baby is to spend 10 get $2 back on any Johnson baby care or Desitin ointments. Get one of the Desitin original paste priced at $10.99. We all have a $1 in our app that is attaching to this. It's going to bring it down to $9.99. Pay that and get $2 back, making it just $7.99. The next deal will be on the spend 20 get $5 back, and Kleenex is part of it. I will not be picking it up, but I just wanted to share it. It's on sale for two for $4.50, but we don't have any coupon for this. But the ones I will be suggesting is picking up one of the Scott bath tissue rolls at $10.49, and also the Scott paper towel priced at $10.49 too. These two items will come up to $20.98. And everyone received a 2 off 1 Scott bath tissue digital coupon that is attaching to the bath tissue. It will bring it down to $18.98 and you get $5 back, making both items $13.98 or $6.99 each. The next deal is on spend 30 get $10 back, and this will be an all digital deal. Pick up the Downy Unstoppable 8.6 ounces on sale for $6.99. And also pick up one of the Gain detergents, 32 loads, on sale for $6.99 as well. And to complete this deal, pick up one of the Charmin Ultra Gentle 12 counts, priced at $15.99. All three items will come up to $29.98. That's within the 98% rule. Use a $1 digital coupon for the Downy Unstoppable, and for the Gain, we have a $1 coupon in our app as well. And for the bath tissue, we all have a 50 cents in our app. It's going to bring it down to $27.47. Pay that and get $10 back, making all three items $17.47 or $5.82 each. If you have a 10 off 70 net purchase CRT, you can add this deal to it. I have a 15 off 75 I got in my email. And last week deal, I also received a 20 off 80, a 20 off 100 net purchase CRT. But I think I'll be using the 15 off 75 because I don't think I'll be able to get 100. Nature Valley granola bar is on sale for $1.99. It's not giving back any extra care box, but picking up two of the granola bars will come up to $3.98. And also the Honey Nut Cheerios treat bars are also on sale for $1.99. Picking up two of them will also bring it up to $3.98. For the Nature Valley granola bar, use a 1 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching to it. That will bring it down to $2.98. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back when you buy two, making both products $2.48 or $1.24 each. And for the Honey Nut Cheerios treat bars, we also have a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to it as well. That will bring it down to $2.98. Pay that and submit your receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents. I think this one is just a limit of one, making both items $2.73 or $1.37 each. This concludes my deals video. Thank you all for watching and your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.